do not consider myself yet to have taken hold of it, but one thing I do, forgetting what is behind and straining toward what is ahead. Na ang resulta ng failure ng tao is broken focus. Kaya pala, hindi ka nagtatagumpay sa buhay because your focus is broken. Hindi ka nakafocus sa mga bagay na dapat mong fokusan. Iba ang pinupukusan mo. Mind your own business because a lot of people marites. They are minding others' business. Dapat ma-discover natin ang assignment natin. Build on your strength. Build on your distinctiveness or uniqueness. You need to build on your revelation. Everything is permissible, but not everything is beneficial. Everything is permissible, but not everything is constructive. Distraction is to have your attention drawn away to something other than your purpose. Na-distract ka, magkakaroon ka ng confusion. Kapag na-confuse ka na, dito na, burn out ka na. Drain energy. Gusto mo ba mag-advance? Gusto mo ba ma-elevate? Gusto mo ba ma-promote? Focus.